knocking when your world is breaking down. Tears on your face, the saddest smile in town. I hold you close when you are falling apart. Isale, I feel the heavy weight upon my yaloku and heart. Kuanitagi, don't cry, everything gonna be alright. I'll be your shelter through the darkest night. But can't you see, I am more than just your friend. Nakava, we are not belong together in the end. While you keep on seeking the love out there, Itokani Ga, I am the one who truly cares. Why not me? Can't you see? Can't you see my feeling for you? No kuloloma. Yeah, look, every time he breaks your heart, you run back to my door, leaving teardrops on my shirt, crying on my floor. You talk about him every night, asking what went wrong, while I've been waiting in the shadows, loving you so long. Yeah, you say I'm just a Itokani, the best you ever had, but hearing that word, man, it makes me go mad. I wipe your tears, hold your hand, tell you it's okay, but Vunia Loco is screaming, wishing you would stay. Stop looking out there, stop chasing the pain. Why you searching for the sun when you're standing in the rain? Dre, it's so hard for me to speak, but I'm the strong one you need whenever you feel weak. Yeah, Itokani Ga, now I want it all. I'm ready to catch you, just